Unraveling the meaning of spread the details. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might seem straightforward but has its nuances. Spread the details. Whether you're writing an email, engaging in a conversation, or preparing a presentation, understanding how to use this phrase can enhance your communication skills. So, let's get into it and unfold the layers behind spread the details. The phrase, spread the details, refers to the act of sharing information, facts, or specifics about something with others. It implies not just telling a part of the story but giving a comprehensive overview that covers all necessary aspects. When you spread the details, you ensure that the people you're communicating with have a clear and complete understanding of the subject matter. Key points: sharing comprehensive information, not just a highlight or an overview, but in-depth information. Ensuring clarity. The aim is to leave no room for doubt or confusion. Audience engagement. It involves tailoring the explanation to the audience's level of understanding. In professional settings. In a professional context, spreading the details might mean providing a detailed report of a project's status, explaining the nuances of a policy change, or outlining the steps of a process. It's crucial for ensuring everyone on your team or in your organization is on the same page. In personal conversations, when catching up with friends or family, spreading the details about a recent trip, event, or life update helps to share your experiences more vividly and engagingly. Tips for spreading the details effectively. Be clear and organized. Structure your information logically. Know your audience. Adjust the level of detail based on who you're talking to. Use examples. Concrete examples can help clarify complex details. Overloading with information. While it's important to be thorough, too much information can overwhelm your audience. Find a balance. Assuming knowledge. Don't assume the listener knows the background. Briefly cover essential context to ensure understanding. Lack of engagement. Simply listing details can be dull. Keep your audience engaged by making the information relevant and relatable. Spreading the details is all about clear, comprehensive communication. Whether you're in a boardroom or at a family dinner, effectively sharing information can significantly impact how your message is received. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use spread the details in your daily interactions. Remember, the key is to be thorough but also to be mindful of your audience's capacity to absorb and understand the information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more tips to enhance your English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.